Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. No, I'm not outside doing a review because lockdown has completely and utterly scuppered our plans of going away like we had in the diary. But do you think we should go out and do some anyway, Jess?
Takeaways will still be open.
Will they?
Yeah.
Technically, are we allowed to do that?
It's work, isn't it?
Is it work? Can we work from home? Probably. How many more pizzas can we do from home this lockdown?
No, we've run out.
Yes. Right, anyway, this kind of comes at a perfect time, my video today, and I've got a big smile on my face because this is epic. So now some of you may have seen we've started Holy Burger, which is blown up. And lots of you have messaged me about getting your hands on one, and the slots is nearly selling out every day, every week. And obviously you've got to be around here, our area, Cambridgeshire, to get one. Not anymore. We've put together, are you ready for the grand reveal? You're gonna pan down as I do my, ready? 3, 2, 1. A DIY box. Now I posted about this a couple of weeks ago, and a few of you bought them, quite a lot of you bought them in fact, and the packaging has only just turned up. So sorry about that for people who did order. However, we have got hundreds of these now and they are ready to go. Now, if you don't know what a Holy Burger is, it's a brand new burger chain, hopefully, down the line. And we're not trying to reinvent the wheel, but it is sensational. I'm gonna put a picture of this actual burger. This is like our flagship burger, the Holy Burger, on the screen right now. I'll put it over there somewhere, over there. That is the Holy Burger. Beautiful, and this is what you can get in the DIY pack. Even more topical, with lockdown around the corner, you don't have to eat terrible food. I know you can't go out and get a table anywhere anymore for the next month. However, you can get some fun food delivered to your door anywhere in the UK. How cool is that? This is available across the nation, far and wide. Now, what's in it? First things first, come have a look, Jess. You've got your sauces, your meats, your cheeses, and your buns. And we've even got a little DIY kit that Jessica, you put together today, didn't you, Jessica?
I did, yes.
Are you proud of it? Are you pleased with it?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
There's a lovely little picture on there. Do you want to have a look at that? So there's your guide. Let's just talk you through what's actually in the DIY kit. Now, I'm going to put a link in the comments below where you can get your hands on one of this. Any support would be amazing. And if you do like it and buy one, take a picture, take a video, and tag us in it, and we will share it on the page because I think you guys are going to absolutely love this, and here's why. So in the kit, you've got one of our signature, amazing onion brioche rolls. Now, you guys know how important a bread roll is, brioche burger roll, in a burger. It's the first thing you hold. It's the vehicle of taking the flavors to the mouth. And this roll, toasted, is fantastic. So onion throughout it, beautifully sweet, but not too sweet. Jess, any input on that roll? Do you think of the rolls?
No.
No input on the rolls? They're lovely baps, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right, let's go through the sauces and the onion. Now, I'm gonna build the burger from the ground up, all right? So on the bottom of the first half of the bun, ready? Harissa mayo. Silky, a little bit of heat. Mayo is outrageous. It's the perfect base layer to our Holy Burger. Next, we've got, no, it's not next. Next, you are required to get some Sweet Baby Gem lettuce. You can't post that, it'll look gross when it turns up. Lettuce, optional, we like it. Chopped fine, sprinkled on top of your harissa mayo, topped with our delicious, can I crack this open?
No.
No. Yes. I'm gonna have it. Topped with our amazing sweet pickled onions. Now, these onions, no, this is not getting sent anywhere, by the way. They are absolutely beautiful. Pickled in, is it shallot, white wine vinegar?
Yeah, I think it's vinegar.
Yeah, and whatever else. Delicious. Sharp, sweet, crunchy texture, and beautiful colour that really pops when you're building it. It looks sensational, this burger. Next, you've got 12 ounces of our brisket meat. This goes into 4 patties, 2 per burger, 3 ounces each. Brisket, you wouldn't ever see that. Normally it's chuck, brisket and flank, all mixed in together, which is great, by the way, perfect combination of meat and fat. However, brisket has got such a rich, strong beef flavor. It's really unique, and we're actually really proud of this mix. This minced twice too, so you get a really great consistency from an entire piece of brisket. That's our meat. Sandwiched in between your 2 patties are our cheese slices. 2 cheese slices per patty. So you've got an absolute cheese fest going on. On top of that, this is where it starts to get a little bit exciting. Sous vide pork belly. 12-hour cooked pork belly sous vide. All we need to do is cut it out and pan fry it to brown it off. Bacon, what is that? Our burgers are topped with pork belly. You get the most luxurious crunch, bite and flavour. You know pork belly, it's delicious. It's even better on a burger. Now, the last ingredient, which is without question the flagship sauce of Holy Burger Co., is this. This goes on the burger. It's black garlic ketchup. And this is a superstar VIP of the entire DIY pack. This is fruity, tangy, sweet, and it really works and cuts through the meat, the flavors together. This is sensational. Now, Holy Burger as a business that we're involved in isn't trying to reinvent the wheel. A burger's a burger. However, we've gone to the nth degree trying to build something that is truly special. Now, I can't get out and review at the moment, hence why I'm here doing this. You can get your hands on this anywhere in the UK. How cool is that? Go and check out the link in the comments. If you want one, put us to the test and maybe you can give us a review what you think of this burger, which I believe is a legend in the making. Holy Burger Co. are now available to the masses around the UK, not just people who can drive here and make an order. Now, that's that. I'm hoping to get out soon and do some reviews, but we'll see, lockdown permitting. In the meantime, don't worry about not going out to eat nice food at restaurants. You can now do it from the comfort of your own home, whilst having some fun with your family, your little ones, your partner, date night. Jazz it up a little bit. DIY boxes have never ever looked so good. Thanks for watching. If you want one, get an order in. And that was a little review-ish. Was it a review, Jess?
No.
No, that wasn't a review.